Welcome. This is 3810 La Hacienda Road, located in Weslaco, Texas. Join me as we tour this stunning, new construction luxury golf course estate, sitting on over half an acre and listed for just $645,000. Walking in, the first thing you may notice are these solid, custom, wrought iron double doors that scream luxury. Speaking of luxury, check out this dining area that features a hanging chandelier and double pane windows overlooking your front yard. First stop on the tour is a flex room / office with plenty of space for a desk and chairs to meet with your most important clients. What luxury listing is complete without a wine cellar? This wine cellar features double glass doors that allow you to have your bottles on display at all times. Next on the list, we'll find the living area and kitchen. Enjoy plenty of natural lighting coming in and illuminating your living room that features 17-foot ceilings. Imagine yourself setting out dinner on your quartz countertop island that spans 10 by 7 feet. All appliances convey in this architectural masterpiece, including the fridge, double oven, and cooktop. If you're impressed by this kitchen, just wait until you see the primary bathroom. Stick around to see what an oversized luxury shower looks like. Kitchen also features a Ruvati sink that looks great against your luxurious marble backsplash. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. All bathrooms feature golden vessel sinks, and this is our first half bath on the tour. This home also features a 2-car garage that I will not be showing, unfortunately, because there's a personal vehicle inside. But please enjoy the mudroom, spacious laundry room, and even a dog shower. Do you think this is necessary? Let me know in the comments below. No detail was spared in this home. Check out the wainscoting on these walls. Both bedrooms are connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom, with private sinks, but shared commode and shower. Bathroom features a very spacious shower tiled to the ceiling, a detail that not every builder pays attention to. second bedroom features an even larger closet than the first. For the next leg of the tour, let's take a step outside. Your outdoor covered patio features outdoor sink, ceiling fans, lighting, and one hell of a view. The entire home is also outfitted with a surround sound system controlled by this master control on the wall. Now, as we enter the primary bedroom, I got one question for you. Does your bedroom have a seating area? Because this one does. Now for what you've all been waiting for, the primary bathroom. Featuring an oversized shower with 2 rainfall shower heads, a tub, a double vanity with golden vessel sinks, and a private commode. Last, but certainly not least, is the primary closet, which features a beautiful chandelier, makeup vanity for your better half, and custom jewelry drawer with a display. I want to thank you guys for joining me on this property tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one, and as always, God bless. If you guys want to stay up to date with me, please follow me on socials on TikTok and Instagram at realtor Matthew Lopez, and I'm also now on Twitter/X at Matthew1Lopez.